All right, beautiful people, what's up, YouTube? Here we go. So I started to do some summer curls. I'm really into summer curls right now because it is summertime. And here we go with my KIPOZI flat iron. So I have my flat iron on 380 degrees, so I didn't want it too hot. And I just wanted to get my roots straight for the most part. And I just did a one pass over my hair very quickly. I wasn't trying to get it too straight. I didn't want to add too much heat to it because when you do that, then your curls are not as defined. I got this curling wand from Amazon. I love it. I love it. It does so good in my hair. So I just keep it in, curl my hair up, keep it in for a few seconds. And then I try to get the little tips of my hair so that it's not straight on the tips by gradually, what's it called? Just like gradually just like pulling the hair back. I mean, you can see it, so hard to explain, but you'll see right here. I just let my hair loose a little bit, like pull the flat iron down with my right hand and let it loose a little bit with my left hand so that it catches the end of my hair. So I just continue to do this all throughout my hair. Flat iron the root, do one pass, and voila, got my summer curls popping thanks to the KIPOZI curling wand. So I'm gonna put a link in the description box below, that way you guys can order it. This is definitely worth it. My favorite size curl for sure on the market right now. Kind of looks like straw curls. So it took me approximately a few hours to do this, maybe like 2 to 3 hours. My arms were definitely tired, so I didn't have enough energy to talk while I was doing this. That's why I'm just doing my voiceover, because I was exhausted from curling my hair for so long. However, when I was finished, I was so excited and I love my curls. Although I really haven't gone anywhere because we're staying inside. Stay inside and stay safe. But I just wanted to show you guys this new curling wand that I bought from the KIPOZI. I will again put the link in the description below so that you can get your summer curls on as well. See, boom, nice and bouncy. I didn't even have to add any spritz or anything. It just stayed in for a few days. Here you go. So I'm almost done here, as you can see. So in the back, I actually flat ironed my hair a little straighter than I did in the front, so you can see that my curls in the back are a little less loose. They're not as tight as the curls in the front. And I will say, when it came to combing my hair out when the style was over, that it was easier to comb it out on the looser curls than it was on the curls that are tighter, but still not bad. So this looks like my last curl. Yay, and I'm so excited. Yes. Alright guys, here's my style KIPOZI curling wand. The smallest wand that they have, and boom, here's my curl. Shake it, girl, shake it. I love it. I'll be doing this again. Alright, so if you love, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, YouTube. Alright, you guys. Stay safe and thanks for watching.